As someone who loves math, I'm kind of saddened that so many people don't love this thing which I'm so passionate about. So to a professional mathematician, math is this wonderful creative subject, and unfortunately in popular culture it's not always seen that way. And some people end up hating arithmetic or algebra because in school they didn't understand it or the way it was taught. And the sad thing is that they don't even know what math is yet. They're only seeing the slightest bit of what math is. And so part of my mission is to explain to people about the larger picture, how math is so much more than what they see in school.
I've always liked math, and it's been always been fun, but now it's more like a thinking problem, less of like a writing down this equals that, because that's really boring. Like, that's not really math. Math is more of like solving problems, and the basics is usually like adding and subtracting and doing fractions, but then there's way more to it than just that. And before we used to only do that. You know how when you get older you have to buy like more important stuff? So you would have to know what is a better deal, like what we're doing now. What is a better deal? Like, this is how many, pretend we're buying a house and this is how many square meters for how much money, and then you compare 3 houses and see which is the least expensive and which is the best for you.
It's always fun to show up to math class every day.
We just really like all the different questions he puts up on Kid Blog and everything. We all sometimes work together, sometimes individually. It's all really, we have a lot of fun just really exploring math. And
yeah, it's a big variety of things that he does. It doesn't feel boring to me. It feels like I can add creativity to the subject.
Math is one of the most important things. You have taxes, you go to the grocery store, you need to know math, like what can fit in your budget, and make sure you don't go over what you can actually afford.
Yeah, and I never forgot one thing that Mr. Oldridge told us in grade 6. He told us that when you're going to the cashier, sometimes when he's there paying, he tries to calculate prior to the cashier being finished how much he's going to end up paying.
When you talk to most of their classmates, they all like math. Like, it's one of their favorite classes, if not their favorite.
And it could be fun if you know what you're doing.
Yeah.
Yeah, only if you know what you're doing, because if you don't know what you're doing, you'll be lost and you think it's like, oh, I can never do this. But at the end of the day, it's actually pretty fun.
But in a way, it's also it's another language, because like a lot of people, it's the way like most people connect, kind of like music, except for like a lot of people know math, and math just brings us together in a way. Like, it's confusing, but it works.